Hello everyone, welcome to Programmatica. Till now, we have covered linear search, where we were searching the list sequentially, means one by one at a time, until the target value is found. But in this video, we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is binary search. So let's get started. In linear search, we were working on an unordered list and we were checking the elements one by one until the target value is found. But in binary search, our first and foremost condition is we need an sorted list or array. Sorted means the items in the array should be in a specific order, either ascending or descending. If you notice our array, the elements of the array are in increasing order. Right. Binary search is based on divide and conquer technique. First, it compares the middle element with the search value. Let me tell you one thing. If we compare any two numbers, then we can only have three possible scenarios. So what are those scenarios? First one is both the numbers we are comparing are equal. Second one is one number is greater than another number. And the last one is one number is less than another number, right? If the middle element not matched with the searching value, then we only have two scenarios left. Either the number is greater than the middle element or less than the middle element. So if the searching value is greater than middle element, then we assume that the searching value might present on the right half of the array after the middle element. So our new start will be middle plus 1. But if the searching value is less than the middle element, then we assume that the searching value might present on the left half of the array before the middle element. So our new end will be middle minus 1. So now let's take an example. We have an sorted array and we want to search that whether the number 80 is present inside the array or not. Initially, our starting index is 0 and end index is 8. First, we need to check whether the middle element matches with 80 or not. But how to get the middle element of the array? The formula to get the middle index of the array is add the starting index and end index and divide the result by 2. So our starting index is 0 plus our end index is 8 by 2, so the result is 4. So this is our middle index, as index 4 is indicating the element 50, right? Now we will compare 50 with our target value 80, whether it matches or not. As 50 not matched with 80, now it will check whether 80 is greater or less than the middle element. We all know 80 is greater than 50, so we can assume that 80 might present in the right half of the array after the middle element. So we need to check this part only and we will ignore the remaining part of the array. But how can we strictly assuming that it might present only after the middle? Because as the array is already sorted and the numbers are in increasing order, so only the elements present after the 50 is only greater. So our new start will shift to middle plus 1 and again we have to calculate the middle. So what will be our new middle? According to that formula, our new starting index is 5 and end is the same as previous by 2, so the result is 7. So now our middle index is 7, which is indicating the element 80 in the array. If we compare with our searching value, which is 80, it successfully matches with our target value and the algorithm will return the index where it found that element.